Hello,
Hi,
welcome to Anime Mystics. I'm Roman,
I'm Belle.
and tonight is something a little different. Well, normally I do these by myself, but I decided to have Belle join me for this one. This is open boxing. I said in my last video when they sent me the wrong figure that I would do another one to show off the right figure. I did mention that it was a spoilery figure for Belle, but she's going to see it anyway when she comes in here and it's in my case.
Yeah.
So it doesn't really matter if I open it in front of her or not.
I just don't know. I won't know who he is.
Yeah.
Or when he'll come in. Good guy? Bad guy? I don't know.
Well, you might be able to tell by the way he looks.
Oh, okay.
But it will say his name, so you will know his name.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, they finally sent it to me. It came in today. Let's open this.
I'm excited.
It is a pretty big box, just for being one figure.
Whoa. It's only the one?
It's only the one.
That's That's unnecessary.
That's unnecessary.
Yeah, that's huge! How big is the figure?
Well, it's a 1/8 scale.
Oh.
Which is smaller than the 1/7 scale I usually get, but I think it's because he's long.
Oh, just to make sure you didn't, like, bounce around?
Probably. I missed some tape. There we go.
Missing the tape.
Let's put that down there. New invoice. More cardboard.
Fail!
Okay. That's a bit more reasonable.
Yeah.
Still a pretty big box.
Still excessive, but not as bad.
It's bigger than my head. Doesn't mean he's going to be bigger than my head, but should still be pretty decent size.
I'm excited.
Does it say One Piece on it? Yes, it does. P.O.P. Portrait of Pirates.
Ooh.
Apparently, they told me last time when I sent them the email that whoever was packing my box did not look at the box they were putting inside of the other box. So they just grabbed one and put it in.
Grab and go.
Yeah, grab and go. All right, yes. This is definitely the right one.
Oh, that's huge. He looks familiar. Oh, he looks dope.
It's actually, I think his name is in Japanese, so you
Yeah,
can't even read his name.
I was like, maybe I'm blinder than I thought I was. I don't see his
There you go, guys.
higher. There you go.
And it's a little clear there, too. Let's get to the back here.
Dun dun dun!
So, his name is in Japanese, so Belle does not know who he is yet. Thank you, box, for not being so spoilery. But the box is really nice.
Yeah, I was just looking at that. It's all like
It's got like the
reflective.
the reflective whatever
Like
on it.
hollow. Kind of hollow. Not kind of not. It's really nice.
Let's put this guy together. I'm probably going to need that still because they always have tape on the plastic.
Tape on tape on tape.
Come on, yeah. There we go. Okay. There we go.
I'd be scared to cut him.
I always get worried about that. Like, am I going to go too deep and hit something inside of the box, or...
Have you?
I have not. Thankfully. That is everything. You know, for a 1/8 scale, he's actually pretty big.
Yeah, no, he doesn't look like a 1/8. He's kind of wide.
Yeah.
Like, he's not super tall, but he's definitely wide.
This is his stand. Standing on some
Rocks?
brick, maybe. Looks like maybe tile, because it is part of a scene. Let's see. Oh.
It's got plastic.
He does.
A lot of plastic.
Usually these little plastic things like this I just rip out. If I'm able to.
That's like deep in his fur.
It is.
It gets all around like his neck.
I feel like this should come off. But also, because I mean, they wouldn't be able to get that in there without his head coming off. But I also don't want to risk it.
And then have a break.
Mm-hmm.
I say don't risk it.
Yeah, I don't think I'm going to. Okay, guys. He is done. I'm grabbing his crotch, but
Pervert.
I know, right? Look at that.
He's pretty dope.
That is awesome. See why I was upset that they gave me the wrong one? This dude is
Some Digimon.
super cool. I mean, I would have kept that Digimon. That Digimon was pretty cool too, but not as cool as this. This is like 100 times better than what that Digimon looked like.
Yeah, no, that looks pretty dope.
Man. And yeah, he's pretty big for a 1/8 scale.
Yeah.
But then again, he is a big guy in this series. I don't know where he's gonna fit.
Yeah, I was about to say, which case are you gonna put him in? Are you gonna put him in the other case in the other room?
I try to keep all the One Piece guys together. The only one I have away from the other One Piece guys is the otother Sanji. And that's because I wanted to put him next to the girls.
Oh, next to the
Oh,
lady.
and Nami. She's over there because she has to be with Sanji.
Yeah. Nami Swan!
There he is. Super awesome looking. I got more of the plastic out with the tweezers, but he still has some in there. I do not want to risk taking his head off because I do not trust myself. I have broken some of these figures before. Yeah, I have.
That would suck.
Like the guy with the green hair, I broke one of his hands.
Oh my god.
So I had to use his second set of hands that have it in the pockets.
Yeah.
That's why he's like that. Because he did have a hand and it broke. It sucks when you break something. Especially after you spend so much money on it. But that's it for this one. I'm going to have to move some stuff around in the case to get him in there. Hopefully he fits because this spear sticks out pretty far. I should have a few more figures coming in sometime next week. Or maybe even the week after. I don't know how long it's going to take them to get here. But they did leave Japan today. So we'll see. I'll do another video when those come in. So what do you think of this guy?
He's pretty cool. Like, he's really dope. Makes me worried for when he shows up because he's definitely not going to be a good guy.
No.
So that's a bad sign for us. But he looks dope as a figure, like, alone.
And it's a good thing they don't tell you his name. And I'm not telling you his name, so. Alright. So, that is it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and get updates on our releases. Check out our Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for anything else we decide to post. And check out our Discord where you can chat with me or anyone else. Or Belle. Belle's another person that's on there sometimes.
I'm on there, I just don't comment. I lurk. I'm a lurker.
She's a lurker. So, till next time.
Bye.
Bye.